In this video, we will explain you how to fix a submission in ISO project. Your submission needs to be fixed. You will get a notification from the ISO CS team. When you will go on the project, you will see that the status of the submission is on toFix, and you will have to click on the toFix action to get to the submission. You will get the first global comment from the ISO CS team on the submission. And if you scroll down the screen, in this specific example, you will see more information about the file that you need to delete and replace by a proper one. In this case, the report of voting was not the correct one. You just drag and drop the proper file. You do not forget to change the type of the document. And once you have introduced the right file, you can click on Submit again. Your submission will be sent back to ISO CS team for review. In this screen, you see different project statuses. You can find more information about it in our knowledge base. But you can see that when the ISO CS team is reviewing your submission, the status will be ISO CS review. When your submission will have been accepted by the ISO CS team, its status will be completed. We finished this presentation on how to fix a submission in ISO project. Do never hesitate to send us an email at projects@iso.org should you have any question on this application. Thank you.